How's it going, guys? Josh here with Trax RC, and today we'll be unboxing probably one of the best budget batteries that you can buy. So we did get a Povway battery, and here's some instructions with the instruction manual. And then we do actually get two connectors with this specific battery. They don't do this for all their batteries, but it is a nice touch. We do get a Dean's plug, which is the one that we will be soldering on, and then you also do get an XT60. So I really like that they included two separate connectors that you can solder on. Most high-end manufacturers don't do that, so that's a nice touch that Povway put into this battery. So next up, here is the battery itself wrapped in some bubble wrap. And it is a 3S LiPo, 50C, and a 6,000 milliamp hour pack, so this should give us lots of runtime. Now, I don't really see anything that I don't like about this battery. One thing that I did notice is that actually the wires are different lengths. You can see that the red wire is a lot longer than the negative. And they do have heat shrink already on the wires. We can't use it obviously, but they just did that so that they don't touch and ruin the battery. So when we solder our Dean's plug on, we are going to have to take off this heat shrink and then use our own. But it is really nice that they did think about safety. Alright, now we're just going to make sure the cells are balanced inside. So we're going to use our balance checker to do that. You can see, looks like they're all balanced. Alright, that's a good sign. Now let's see how it fits in some of our cars. So it does fit in our TRX4 Sport, but we do have the Bauhaus battery tray, so I'm going to get the stock battery tray to see how it fits in that one. Looks like it's going to fit. Ooh, it doesn't. It's too tall. So you could just completely remove this battery strap and like cut slots in the side of the battery tray and put Velcro. That's what I would do if you had the stock battery tray and you want to use this battery. But yeah, you have plenty of length and also plenty of width. It's just too tall. So you can get it to fit into TRX4 Sport or any TRX4 for that matter. With the stock battery tray, you are just going to have to do a little bit of modification, but it does fit in the Bauhaus battery tray. So as you can see, it does fit in our Bash project. We already did modify the battery tray on this one though with Velcro straps to fit more packs. So we're going to get the stock battery strap and see how it fits with that. Alright, so I got the battery strap, so now let's put the battery in the compartment. And it looks like it's going to be too tall. Yeah. So there are a couple things you can do to get it to fit in a slash. You could get the Trax's battery expansion kit for it. We'll put a link to that in the description. I've never used one because I would just rather put Velcro straps in them. It's super easy. All you have to do is cut slots in the side of the battery tray and then run the strap through it. Yeah, that's really easy to do with a Dremel. And it's also, I think it might be cheaper because you could just get a huge pack of Velcro straps and use them for all of your cars. And Velcro straps are just a lot more adjustable than something like this. Now the last RC that we're going to try this battery in is our Stampede 4x4. It is a little bit taken apart right now because we were doing some maintenance on it, but it doesn't stop us from trying this battery. So let's just slide it in. Alright, so it fits, but we cannot get the strap on. Yeah, there's just no way. It's too tall. So we are going to have to cut some slots in the chassis and use Velcro straps to secure this battery into place. Again, you can get the battery expansion kit for this. I honestly don't know if it'll work though, because the heights of LiPos are so different. I would just recommend cutting slots in the chassis, like I said before, and use Velcro straps because it's so much more adjustable than one of these straps. And if you want to know if this battery will fit in your RC car, we're going to measure it right now. So it looks like it is just over 5.5 inches long. The height on it is 1.25, and then the width is just over 1.5 inches. So that should help measure your battery tray, and if it does fit, this is a great battery to pick up. Now you obviously want to make sure that your ESC can handle 3S LiPo. So now we're going to solder on the Dean's plug that came with the battery, and then we're going to put it into our Bash project and take it outside to test it out. Alright, so to be testing this battery, we're going to be using our Trax's Slash, and let's just start driving it. So speed-wise, I can't really notice a difference. which probably is to be expected because it is a 3S LiPo, which we usually do run in this RC. Ooh, rolled it. Oh, on its wheels. Let's come back. Let's go a little bit farther down to this area. This is like a kind of a run-down field, kind of. And this road, or not road, kind of path right here is like super bumpy. It's almost like a drag race, an off-road drag race. It's just super fun going back and forth on this little path. Ooh, got some air. Circle back around. Now I am driving one-handed, so it's not that easy. Ooh, gotta go flip it over. Alright, let's go flying over these ruts. Ooh. Now, one thing that I have noticed is that at super slow speeds, it cogs a lot, and that's just because we're running, obviously, the 3S battery, and we're running such a high gearing in this RC. I think we're running like a 23 tooth pinion and a 90 tooth spur gear, which is actually geared lower than what we usually run in our slashes, so we're running a really high gearing. And that just makes it really hard to go slow, which is why it cogs. Now, we could just run it on 2S, but what's the fun? 3S is much better. That wasn't even a full speed launch. Ooh, nice. Oh, we just hit that branch going really fast. Oh, hopefully nothing broke. Looks like we're good. Now guys, you better smash that like button because I'm getting chewed up by mosquitoes out here. Ooh. Yeah, one-handed driving is not easy. Hopefully there's no poison ivy in here. That would be bad. Dang it. Ooh. Come on. There we go. Oh my god. See, this is why one-handed driving and filming is impossible. I keep on looking at the camera. Retrieval number 16 of the day. Let's keep going. I'll go flip it over again. Number 337. Alright guys, so I think that'll do it for this video. The power with this battery, we didn't really notice anything too significant. Tons of power, loads of punch. Obviously that 50C or 55C, I don't really remember what it was. Obviously that high C rating does affect the punch a lot. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Trax RC.